that's what I know. I just wanna lie. Yeah. Not a little bit, nah. Who did it? Me. I just wanna lie. 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 Wobble up the spot, no dance. Not drunk, cause money in my pants. I just wanna lie. Sip a drink and it got me in a trance. Take the money, baby, I don't wanna dance. I just wanna lie. Got a salary up in my cargo. Push one button, make the car go. Bet I've been a man since top speed. Best kept secret, but it's time I need a spot. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Make deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merge. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9.
Alright y'all, we got a exciting video today. We're gonna be updating the White Ranger wheels. We'll be taking off my old wheels. This is my old lexaniwheels that I got on there. My old 20s. We're gonna be putting a new set of lexaniwheels wheels on there. These are kind of older style, outdated. They've been out for a while. So these new wheels I got, you go on lexaniwheels.com, lexaniwheels.com I think it is, and you can see them on the website. They're the Lexani Aries set, and I like them. They're gonna bring out the car more. They're gonna make it look more up to date, more new. So Kingpin already got the 2 back wheels mounted and balanced already, and they gotta get the 2 tires off the front wheels, mount and balance those, and then put all of them on the car. And we're gonna get the car more up to date look. So let's get to it.
Used to pull them, not swerve, no time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt, that's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courtside and nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Make deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, same circles to the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type in Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter ad.
Oh, the old and the new.
Bet I get it back.
Look at these new wheels.
Like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell up for change. They won't sell out a thing.
Yeah, that's dope. I like that. I got so much plugs everywhere, but yeah, that came good. Better than what I thought it was gonna be. Way back. Oh man, then the concave back here. I just sucked in back here. Oh man, yeah, that's dope. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much.
Oh, it do suck in.
I didn't think I was gonna like it that much. That came out perfect. The stand's perfect. I got a little tire cut off right there, and then it's like flush with the fender. Yeah, that came out perfect.
Yeah, it came out nice.
Alright, y'all. Last night I ended up picking the car like extra late because I just dropped the call to Kingpin. I told them, man, look, take y'all time, do what y'all need to do, and get to it when y'all can. They had other stuff to do. I had other stuff to do. I ended up picking the car like 10 o'clock. Shout out to my boy Stefan. He stayed with the car till like 10 o'clock last night. Made sure I got my car safe and sound. So make sure y'all follow him on Instagram at Kingpin Autosports _ Stefan. Alright, so y'all see that? Yeah. Check him out, cause shout out to my boy. That's the guy who came up with the idea of going with those set of wheels. Cause I was looking for something else, but I didn't really know what I want. And then I talked to Stefan. I brought him the car, showed him what my idea was. He said, man, look, you need to go with these wheels right here. These gonna update your ride. These gonna make it look way much better. And spec'd out. It's perfect offset, perfect wheelbase, perfect width. Everything is perfect. The car ride like a dream. So yeah, these are the lexaniwheels 20-inch by 9.5 in the front, the Aries model. Don't ask me the offset of it. I thought Kingpin was gonna give me the offset. They didn't write the offset down, so no, I don't know the offset for my wheels. I'll give them on one day. And then front is 20 by 9.5, the rear 20 by 10.5, and the rear has a concave in it. So if you look at the rear, it dips in compared to the front. So I definitely like them. Came out way much better than what I thought it was gonna be. I just picked up the car last night, so the car's still dirty from when I don't remember last time I really washed the car. So let's see what my dog think about it. Is that new stuff is perfect, or you think I should have just kept the old wheels? What you think?
I like the wheels. It's sick.
It's sick?
Yeah.
I think it's pretty sick. I think it's really sick.
Do you think it's so sick that it's sour?
I think there'll be some of y'all young kids will say they pretty sick that it's sour. Yeah, I guess. I see what she's trying to say. We've been watching YouTube a lot, so we stumbled across a YouTube Carter Shara. And he's a big YouTuber, and he does challenges all the time. So he did this little challenge where it's like sour challenge. So we was watching it, and I accidentally said I could eat more sour Skittles than her. So she was like, I bet you can't. So question is, you think I can eat more sour Skittles than you in 1 minute?
I can eat more sour Skittles than you in 1 minute.
So you can eat more sour Skittles than me in 1 minute?
Yeah.
Let me see how much money I got. We can put a wager on that. We can put a wager on that. I have exactly $2 lucky. $2 lucky. Let's put $2 lucky on that I can eat more sour Skittles than you in 1 minute.
Fine. Deal.
Let's do it. Alright, so here's gonna be the challenge. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 Skittles in 5 different cups. You got 1 minute to eat as many Skittles as possible. If you can finish more than 5, you got extra Skittles and the extra Skittle pop. Extra Skittles pop. So we got 1 minute to do it, and I forgot one thing. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Water. So, anybody need water? If you need water, or if I need water, before getting to your final number, you lose. First person to drink water loses. So you gotta eat as many Skittles as possible without drinking water. So, let me set the timer. Got a little timer right here on my phone. And 1 minute. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. It's sour. I like Skittles. Alright, so I'm Skittles. That's a lot of Skittles. So, you got fun stuff. I'm taking a minute to chew it. 21 seconds though. And you put 3 cups in your mouth? We didn't finish 3 cups though. I got 2 cups. So I'm almost got finished. 2, 1. Alright, time. Alright, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. I still got a lot to do. So, I guess it's a race to see who gets finished shooting first. We got 3 cups out my mouth.
I'll see you gonna get to the last cup first. Oh.
I'm done.
Open your mouth.
Nothing.
This is. She kinda like retained it in her mouth.
So I win the $2. So the challenge has been set. It has been conquered by Next Level himself. Next Level took a try. She failed. But there's always another day. You can always try again when you get a little bit bigger.
That's called cheating because you got a bigger mouth.
I have a bigger mouth. I have stronger jaws.
Stronger jaw.
Guess what? She's still showing.
You're still true. I'm long finished. Alright, back to the
I
talk.
lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God won't be a dollar that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want
Better than I thought it was gonna be.
switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word.
Hey, this thing a little foggy. Let me clean up the screen a little bit. Alright, today we got a exciting video.
I'm proud of me. Yeah, look.
Okay. Oh, I am all in the camera.